How to buy Sprout token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. And as you can see, this token is increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's mini investment in the safe place to be able to buy this token. And before that, as you can see, this token it's trending number 3 in the explainer right now. So to be able to buy this token, make sure to copy the token address from here. And remember this token address 800 Ethereum network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Click on wallet here, make sure to select Ethereum as a network here. Click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. And now as you can see, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, search for the token that you just added right now, called Sprout. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap here, switch from here, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive that token. After that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Sprout token. And if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.